In this video, I will show how to install Apache web server on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's get started. Open new terminal and update the system with this command. Okay, now use this command to install Apache web server. Now type Y to continue installation. It may take a while for installing Apache2 web server on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Now verify the installation. Open a web browser and type localhost. It works. That's it. Apache web server installed successfully. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.